Hi, I'm Molly Suberthorpe. Welcome to my channel where I offer bite-sized tutorials and demonstrations in calligraphy and hand lettering and upload a brand new video every Friday. This week, I'm calligraphing the unofficial motto of the United States Postal Service, an organization that really needs all our support right now. I hope you find this demonstration relaxing and you can grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and relax. The ink I used today is by Ziller. It's the Winter Sky Gray. I love this entire line because it's waterproof, extremely nice consistency, and light fast, which means that it's not going to fade over time. The pen I used is a Tachikawa T-25, and Tachikawa makes great lightweight pen holders. I prefer lightweight pen holders for flourishing, and for a lot of my work I use straight holders as opposed to oblique. but that's a matter of personal preference. There's no hard and fast rule. The nib I used is the Brause EF66. EF, whenever you see that in a nib name, stands for extra fine. And that's because the tip of this nib, if you can see it, is so incredibly sharp it can actually cut you. So you do have to be careful. Now, one great thing about the Tachikawa holders, my holder is quite dirty, but you see that there are 2 concentric circles there. And what that means is that you can fit larger nibs and smaller nibs into the same holder without having to force the smaller nibs in. The Brause EF66 is a very tiny nib, and for that reason I love the Tachikawa holders, because the Brauses fit into that inner circle. Can you see that? Whereas a larger nib like the popular G nibs, let me grab one here. Popular G nibs, this for example is a Zebra G. These G nibs fit perfectly in the outer concentric circle. Now you would never use 2, of course, at one time. I'm just showing you this to illustrate how the holder can fit wider flanged nibs and narrow nibs, right? So you see the difference in size there? You have one holder, 2 nib sizes. These are extremely, extremely affordable. I've linked them down below in the description. And lastly, this grid that I used, my basic modern slant grid, which I put underneath a sheet of translucent vellum paper, is available entirely for free at mollysletteringtoolkit.com, linked below. And it's part of a pack of 12 downloadable grid sheets that's also available in a digital download that you could use on your iPad. So have fun with those and tag me in your work so that I can see what you create.